Now I'm going to introduce the most popular, often used stances and steps in performing Taiji Chuan and the most Kung Fu systems. And basically, I select 7 stances. I call it 5 steps. You move relatively less than the stances. Move in these 5 steps. You can demonstrate all the stances that is included in most of our martial art, forms. Okay. Now, first one, you see, I put an English name, and then there's a Chinese name. So compare it. Now let me start with the number 1, 2, 3, and then at the ending, you switch side. So you can repeat one side to the other side many times. And you can also do slowly, copy with breathing. Also, you can do rapidly or with the purpose of a technique, because most of them can be used for self-defense. Okay, the first one, we start from here. Okay, now I'd like to analyze these steps and the stances. The first one, you start with empty stance. That's how you start. From leg closed, and then breathe in, raise your arm, deep breathing, and then exhale halfway, and open one toe, and drop. This called cast stance, means no weight on the front, and then you go into this movement. Golden rooster, stand on leg. So that's 2 stance. One is cast stance, one is one leg stance, and then from there you continue into the Prenafino. That is called 30-70 stance. It's often used in martial art. Okay, and before you go in that, you did a good kick, a heel kick. So in the knee attack, this is the one. Then heel kick, and then drop into this. Okay, that's 30-70, the so-called Prenafino. Okay, and then there's a ring step, means you twist, pivot your waist and the legs like a ring. Circle, 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 and all the way down. Then the hand in alignment, split down and look in target. And then you come up and pivot back to this horse stance. Low horse stance is called Russian fist with the horse stance. Then this hand will swing from below and shoot your way forward. Make a bow and arrow stance. This is protect your top, and this attack. Okay, and then you're gonna what? Back up. This is called strike down your hand, allow your hand to block, and the body shift back weight. Then you can start the other side. Okay, so that way you can practice both sides slowly or fast. And if you do rapidly, vigorously, you create a lot of increase the heartbeat rate, and the strength development and agility. For example, so this is you can do in different manner. and different purpose. If you go slowly, then you follow this breathing. So this is a very short, 5 step for you to use as a regular practice, review all your stances, and you find out they appear in the form very often, and you have to do everyone, in the correct way. Then you can present a good form. Okay, thank you.